Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and thank you for taking the time out to watch me today. Well, today I'm announcing the 50 for me, 50 for you giveaway, hosted by Pricilla at Distinctive Crochet. I have been chosen to do a video on the 50 for me, 50 for you giveaway. So, what I'll do is you leave a comment on this video, I will draw a name, and I will give it to Pricilla, and then your name will be entered in a drawing, and she will pick a name, and if you're the winner, then she'll get a hold of you. So, it's a $50 digital Amazon gift card. The rules are, you must be subscribed to Distinctive Crochet, 18 years of older, you must have a valid email address to receive your prize. I'm reading some notes here. You must know how to use a digital Amazon gift card. Participants are allowed to comment on each participating channel for a greater chance to win. Participants must follow specific rules in each video they enter. YouTube and Amazon are not affiliated with the giveaway in any way. Pricilla of Distinctive Crochet is solely responsible for the prizes. So I'm not giving away the prizes. Pricilla is. So all you gotta do is leave a comment on this video. And the word I want you to put in is crochet. And that way I know you want to be entered. And then when I draw the name, I think it's see, each channel will draw a name, semifinalist on March 4th. So I will draw a name on March 4th, and I will give the winner of my channel to Pricilla, and then it goes in like then she'll draw a name, and you go from there. So, in honor of, it's her 1-year anniversary on YouTube. So that's what this is. It's YouTube giveaway from Distinctive Crochet. And she's been on for a year. Congratulate her. So this is the hat I'm wearing that I made from her pattern. I don't know if you guys can see, because I'm in a weird spot in my house. And so I'm going to link her channel, the video of her announcing the 50 for me, 50 for you giveaway. So go over and check her out, and subscribe if you haven't already. And there's going to be a list of participants. So the ones that are doing the 50 for me, 50 for you giveaway. I'll also link this pattern down below in the description box as well. She's a fabulous designer, you know, she does a great job. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm in a storage room in our house. So, I guess that's it. So go check out the people that are doing the giveaway. And all I need you to write in my description box is crochet, and I'll link it out. Just put it down in your comments. And what else? And you must be subscribed to my channel as well. And I hope you don't subscribe just to do a giveaway, because that happens a lot. And I don't know. I don't. Then they you know, take you off. They no longer subscribe to you anymore. So yeah. So I will link the rules also down below in the description box, and Priscilla's video on the 50 for me, 50 for you, and this hat that she designed for that. Yeah, so like I said, she'll pick a winner, and the person will win a $50 gift card. That's pretty cool, right? All right, everyone, I hope you have a great day. Please go check out Pricilla. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, share my video out, leave a comment. All right, everyone, take care. Bye.